What's good, fam? Welcome back to Tito's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to make a killer grilled chicken marinade that's busting down. Follow it step by step, and I'm telling you, you're gonna love it. Try it at home. I'm telling you. All right, let's go. Just a few ingredients on this, so check it out real quick. We're gonna have, I like using avocado oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. We got about a tablespoon of this here, right here. I'm not gonna pronounce it today. I'm not in that zone today. We got some low sodium soy sauce, a little black pepper. I love cooking with a little Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning if you got that. Some sea salt. This time we're using garlic paste. You know me, I usually like to use fresh garlic, but sometimes I switch it up too. Lemon juice. We have our 3 herbal blend here, sage, rosemary, and some thyme. And of course, to start the show, the chicken, baby. The chicken, baby. Okay, we're gonna whip this up. I'm gonna start off by chopping up the sage and the thyme and the rosemary, and then we're gonna work our way up to the chicken. And actually, once we're done, I'm gonna let this marinate overnight. You gotta at least let it marinate at least 30 minutes. At least 30 minutes, let that flavor get in there. But you marinate this thing overnight and throw it on the grill, I'm telling you, she. Anyway, let's do it. All right, we're gonna start off with our herbal blend. That's the rosemary, the thyme, the sage. Gonna chop it up nice and good, put it in a little ramekin and put it to the side for right now. Next, we're gonna put our dry seasoning together. Half teaspoon of Creole seasoning, half teaspoon of salt, and about a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Boom, let's take our chicken breast and we're gonna go ahead and butterfly the chicken breast. Slice it right in half, open it up so we can get that seasoning in there and so it can cook quicker, nice and even. All right, go ahead and generously sprinkle that seasoning right on top. Don't worry, just gonna do 1/2. Put your herbal blend down. Now you're gonna take about a half teaspoon of the garlic paste. We're gonna put that on each chicken breast. Once we do that, drench it with a little avocado oil, about 2 tablespoons worth. Go ahead and fold that chicken breast back together like that. Boom, lock in that flavor. Once we do that, go ahead and grab you a Ziploc bag, open it up, drop each chicken breast in. Boom, just like that. Get that lemon, slice it in half, and we're just gonna squeeze that juice right in there, just like that. However you do it, just squeeze it in there. Don't worry about the seeds, we're just marinating right now anyway. All right, take you a tablespoon of that W sauce, throw that in. Tablespoon of that soy sauce, pour that in. And add in about a teaspoon of honey, but I'll bring all the flavors together. Go ahead, seal that and just gonna mix it around. Just mix it around, squeeze it around just like that. Make sure we get all that flavor all the way around so it can soak into that chicken. I'm gonna crack it open a little bit so I can roll it up, get that air out of there, seal it up. I'm gonna marinate this for at least 30 minutes in the refrigerator, preferably overnight. All right, it's grilling time, baby. Put our chicken breasts on the grill. And once I put them down, I don't like to move them at all. We're gonna cook them for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. Boom. See that honey, that soy sauce, that W sauce, that's giving you that nice, good grill marks on that chicken, that nice color. Brings all the flavor together. Nothing like some flame broiled food, baby. All right, put this in. Take this inside and we're going to see how this tastes, and that's about it. I'm telling you, this probably going to be like the best chicken marinade that you ever put together. All right, fam, so the marinade's been made, the chicken's been marinated, the chicken's been grilled, it's been cooked to perfection. Now it's time to take a bite of this. Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel. Peace.